If you want to learn how to use AnyDesk free, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. AnyDesk is a popular remote desktop tool that lets you connect to another computer, offer support, or access your own device from anywhere. The best part is that you can get started with the free version quickly and without any complicated setup. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the official AnyDesk website. It's always important to download remote access software from the official source so you know you're getting the correct and safe version. Once the website loads, look for the Download Now button. Click it and then choose the version that matches your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or another supported system, make sure you select the correct installer so everything works properly. After the download finishes, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. The setup process is usually very straightforward. Click Install AnyDesk and then follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your device, you may be asked to confirm permissions or allow the installation to continue. Just complete each step carefully until the installation is finished. Once AnyDesk is installed, launch the application. When the program opens, you'll see your AnyDesk address, sometimes called this desk ID, right on the main screen. This is your unique ID, and it's what other people will use if they want to connect to your computer. If you ever need remote help, this is the number you'll share with the person helping you. Now let's look at how to connect to another computer. First, ask the other person for their AnyDesk address. They can find it on their own AnyDesk screen. Once they send it to you, type that address into the remote desk field on your AnyDesk window. Double check that the number is correct because even one wrong digit can stop the connection from working. After entering the address, click Connect. AnyDesk will send a connection request to the other computer. On the remote device, the person will see a pop-up asking them to accept the session. They simply need to click Accept to allow the connection to begin. As soon as they do that, the remote session starts and you'll be able to view or control the computer based on the permissions that were granted. At this point, you can use AnyDesk to help someone troubleshoot a problem, access files, or work on a computer from a distance. If you're the one receiving support, remember that you stay in control of the session approval, so never accept a connection unless you trust the person requesting access. That's one of the reasons AnyDesk is so useful and flexible for free remote assistance, and that's it. You now know how to download AnyDesk, install it, open it, and connect to another computer using the free version. It's a simple tool, but once you understand the basics, it can save you a lot of time and make remote support much easier. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.